We're on the first stop of the Elemental Awareness Europe Tour in Crowley, England, and just hanging out, setting up the contest.
Put on the contest in 3 different sections and give some free stuff out for all the kids, you know, big up the youth.
The Elemental Awareness Tour is set up for as a contest series, so every stop we go to, there's a contest set up and the kids come out, and it's all set up for the kids, and then we just skate along with them and just get them psyched and act as judges for the series.
We're in Lille in north of France, close to England, next to the canal, and chilling at the Element Awareness Contest.